Hey everybody, it's Emily, and this is EmiLou.Arts, and I'm alive, and thankfully, so is Tiny Arm. So I'm here to say hi and not pretend that I haven't been missing for the last month, show you what I'm doing with a journal now, hopefully, maybe, and just hang out with you guys. I've missed you. So how are you guys? Like I said, I know it doesn't seem very sincere, but I have missed you very much. And everyone that's, reached out, thank you. You are all just little pumpkins and I love you. This is the journal that you guys are used to seeing all the time, my A5 cousin Avec. And as you can see, I stopped journaling. I just didn't have it in me. It was too much. Everything just got to be too much. And so basically I did have enough stamina to print off some pictures at Walmart and glue those in, or at Walgreens, and glue those in the last month of June. So I did a little bit like semi-memory keeping. I just didn't journal in the standard way that I'm used to. And I got a little bit burnt out of that. I kind of just got burnt out of everything. I love it, but you know me, I go and I go hard and I just burn myself out, I think. But we'll see. I don't know. And I, on a whim, decided to buy Hobonichi weeks. I have no clue why, but that's where we are. So it came to me overnight, which is pretty freaking awesome. Amazon, you are my hero.
Is Amazon God? I don't know. It could be, maybe. Only God could do that.
Bring me a Hobonichi overnight. So anyways, this is the first time I've ever held a Hobonichi weeks, and it's just a regular one, and it's in the color pink or marshmallow, or I'm not sure. But as you can see me obsessively like rubbing it, it's so soft. It's like the softest material that has ever existed. I don't know, I could just sit and rub it for hours. Yep, take that for what you will. But I thought, in this state of mind that I'm currently in, I could manage this. And it's a small, teeny tiny area. I mean, both pages combined for an entire week are the size of a day that I used to do before, but I thought this would be a fun way to just like stick a sticker in and maybe record what we did that day or something fun that happened. Because a lot of the problem too was Michael went back to work, the kids stopped school, and we just don't have any, there's nothing to journal about. How many times can I say we sat around and stared at each other? I don't know. I mean, in the beginning of the summer, we went to more bike rides and stuff, but now it's hotter than 10,000 ball sacks, and we can't go to the pool, and going to a park is miserable because it's so hot, and then, you might catch a virus and die, so there's that. So I don't know, you guys, it's a little bit of a struggle summer, but we're getting by. So I thought, this little 1-inch box I can manage. I just lately need to come to terms with like, lower your expectations, Emily. Just lower your expectations. I have a real problem in that arena of expecting a lot and being disappointed. So I just need to take down the expectations about 10,000 notches and we'll be at what is capable for myself right now. And for society, apparently. So, here we are. And I actually had a lot of fun doing this. And it only took me like an hour to do, the last couple of weeks and to set it up. Maybe 45 minutes. That's not true. It was 30 minutes of filming. And I edited it down. Edited it down. Sorry, guys. So out of practice. And so I can do that. I can muster up the stamina to do that. So here I am. I'm just sticking in pictures. This is HP Sprocket photos that I made a little 4x4 collage in the app called PicStitch, and you change the ratio on the picture to either 3x4 or 4x3, and then import your pictures, and then you can choose 4 at a time, so 4 on one little HP Sprocket sheet, and then you export it. It goes to your camera roll, and you can print it off from your Sprocket app just like you would like a one picture. Makes for the perfect size for these little days. So win, 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 win. Sorry, got the burps. I had my morning monster and I got the burps from it. I'm still the same old girl. Don't worry. I decided to, once I got to writing, I was like, well, this is very cramped. It's going to be hard to decipher like day to day. So I decided to make little Mildliner highlights, like every other box. So on the 4th, I kind of highlighted every other little box in that week. And then it sort of separates one day from the other, but I don't think in a too intrusive way. I mean, it's obviously busy, but you guys know my history with busy. We're best friends. So I actually really adore it. And I don't know, I had a lot of fun sitting down and doing this. It was relaxing and it wasn't stressful. Not that journaling has been in the past. I just haven't had the desire, you know. A lot of it's depression, and just struggle, you know. It's just been a hard time lately, but like, boo-hoo, we're all going through it. I get it, I know. So I won't belabor the point. It's just been hard lately. So this brought me joy and I was happy to do it. And so it gives me hope that once I start doing it, maybe I'll crave more space to be more creative and, you know, but if not, and this is what happens and I like this little format, then that's perfect. I love it. I was missing having our little memories captured. That's why I did the pictures from Walgreens. Even though I knew I didn't really want to journal, I still wanted to record some of the things that happened. So here we are. All the details that you didn't really need, but I gave you. Let's see. This last week was kind of fun. Because we went to my aunt and uncle's pool and the kids actually invited 2 friends because we were able to be outside and they were able to still kind of stay away from each other, you know, and be cautious, but have friends at the pool. And it was just us since it was my aunt and uncle. So that was really fun and they really enjoyed that. And then I bought a Groupon for this go-karting place. And my kids have never, they've been in go-karts before, but they've never been the ones driving them. And so we surprised them and we went and it was empty. The place was empty. So that was really nice. And we were, you know, cautious and they just had a ball. They had so much fun. Well, I think Addie actually set the record for the slowest lap ever recorded. She was so nervous, but she was so brave. And, you know, she kind of got faster and faster with every lap. And pretty soon, you know, they're just kind of racing around. And it was so much fun to watch them do that. I absolutely loved it. And they thought it was the coolest surprise ever. So we'll have to do that again. And, so those were 2 things that I definitely wanted to record from this week. And then I have so much awesome stuff because you guys keep sending me amazing things, even though I disappear. You guys are like, hey, Emily, we love you. And that's more than I could ever expect, ever, out of anything. I don't expect that. You guys just keep, you know, you just keep showing up even when I don't. And that's amazing to me. Like, you know, I just can't tell you how much you guys mean. Not because you send me stuff, but just because I feel like you truly care about me, which is so weird to know, like, that there are strangers out there that care about you. So anyway, Jesus, getting a little verklempt. So anyways, I have all these awesome things and I wanted to decorate my thing, you know, as I typically do. And I did not plan this out beforehand. I just had a stack of stuff that I loved and I wanted to, that I thought I could maybe use. So I just started sticking stuff in like a mad woman, and I love it. I think it's so cute. That little girl sitting on a cart is a little picture I printed out from Pinterest, like along when I first got into my pocket TNs. It was in my first one, and I just thought she was so stinking cute, so I glued her in there. And then I've been saving this sticker, the black cat, out of the antidepressant bottle because I just have not been able to like commit to putting it down somewhere. And then I was sent that the Sasquatch being like lowered down or lifted up from a UFO. Like, it's truly my heart. So amazing, absolutely amazing. And then I had some star stickers, and I just stuck star stickers everywhere. And it's just made me so happy to do. I did put a little sticker. Is that, are those Coffee Monsters Co? I always get the wrong, I confuse the little people, the emotis, the potatoes, I don't know, but I love them all. So I'm so sorry if I'm saying the wrong name. So I put one of those in there, and I put one on the front cover too. I didn't put a lot on the front cover because my friend Susie is making me some vinyls. Well, she's making me a name vinyl that I'm going to put on the front. And I haven't decided if I'm going to make like a sparkly jelly cover for it. I think I might, just because I love sparkly jelly. And so we'll see. There's my hair. Sorry, my big greasy head. And then I just decided to put in this tab on the first day that I started journaling. So this was an April start for 2020. So we'll see. Maybe it will fill up way fast and I won't be able to use it for very long. Who even knows? I'm not sure. And then I put in that little piece of, it was from the package, and I didn't have tape because a little gremlin has stolen the tape from my art desk. So that's what we've got. That's what I did today. And I do plan on showing you guys a full flip of my A5 cousin and more plans that I have for that. And then the sneaky peek of that planner in the upper left-hand corner. You guys, I guess I'm a rings boy now. Never thought I'd say that, but here we are. It's 2020. Who knows? Who knows what could happen tomorrow? Oh, I'm so thankful that you guys are here with me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.